everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. We all love those hot fluffy puris when they are made nice and fresh at home. Today I'm going to share an incredibly delicious puri recipe. We're going to make these beautiful green peas puris, that is Matar Pooris, from scratch. And they are really simple and easy to make, so let's get started and check it out. First we're going to make a paste of the peas, that is the matar. I've taken 1 large cup of peas. This is roughly about 250 ml cup measurement. So I've taken fresh peas, you can take frozen as well. Next I'm adding 3 green chilies chopped, a piece of ginger chopped, about a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So I'm going to grind it into a nice coarse mixture, so I'm going to pulse it a few times. So we're going to do this without adding any water. Just look at that beautiful green color. We're going to grind this a little more. So once we have this nice coarse mixture, you can remove from the mixer jar and transfer it to a bowl. So next we're going to cook this peas mixture. To a pan, add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Cooking this mixture will remove all that excess moisture that's in the paste. So this way when you make the puris, they won't be soggy. Make sure to keep the flame on low while doing this. You don't want the mixture to get burnt. You can cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So you can see it's become a little dry. At this point, you can turn off the heat and transfer it to a bowl and keep this aside. So next we're going to prepare the dough for the puris. To a bowl, I've taken 2 cups of wheat flour, that is atta. So I've taken it in a 250 ml cup measurement. To this, add half teaspoon of salt. Just add a teaspoon of oil. First, mix these ingredients together. Now gradually pour water a little at a time and mix the dough. So you need a nice soft malleable dough. So knead it for just about 2 minutes, that'll do. So once you've mixed the dough, you can nice and soft, just divide it into small equal sized balls. So this is a good size. Take one of the dough balls, gently press it and just shape it into a small cup like this. Just follow what I'm doing. So once you've got that, take a spoonful of the filling and place it in the center. Now gently seal from all sides. And just roll it again. So make sure the filling is sealed completely. So now that we have that, once you've done that, just dust it with a little flour. Gently press it. Without putting too much of pressure, just roll the puri. You don't want the stuffing to come out or you don't want any holes in your puri. So gently just roll it out. So you can see we've rolled it out. It shouldn't be too thin because the filling will come out. Once you've rolled out the puris, you can start frying them. Heat oil in a kadai. Once the oil is hot, gently drop in the puris. Well, you can see that the puri is slowly puffing up. Wow, just look at that beautiful golden Matar Poori. It looks incredible. So once it's done, just remove from the oil and you can enjoy these nice and hot. Today I'm serving these beautiful Matar Pooris with some nice potato masala by the side. I've already made this recipe and I'll give you the link of this particular recipe in the description. Do check it out. So this particular potato masala pairs beautifully with puris, chapatis or even fulkas. So it's a great recipe that you can try. Make sure to follow all the steps I've showed you to get these puris perfectly. Well, I have a plate full of these nice fluffy Matar Pooris. I'm going to enjoy it with some lovely potato masala. Wow. Wow. Heaven in a bite. This is what we call it. Yummy. It's just too good. I will definitely finish all of them, but later. I'm sure you can tell that I absolutely enjoyed those Matar Pooris. So I suggest you get some nice fresh peas and quickly make these puris and enjoy. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.